if you ever run into this problem, this is a 2012 Range Rover. My problem with this one was when I went to let it down, it was not working. It would not let the tire go down. So what you have to do is get some braces and brace that tire up. You have to cut that off. Let the tire down and get it out your way. And then you have to start unscrewing this piece. Once you screw that off, this piece will come out just like that. So like I said, if you go to jack your spare tire down and you count to 30 or more and it's not coming down, this is what you're going to have to do. You're going to have to cut that piece. You're going to have to cut that to get that down. Now this one right here is a new upgraded piece. Anytime you get an upgrade, you have this piece on here that keeps thieves from trying to cut it and steal your spare tire. And you use the crank jack to go in there and turn it. This is the old one. For some reason, this old one froze up and it wouldn't let my tire down. So I had to go ahead and cut it to get that tire down. And the good thing I did it now, because if I ever really needed a spare tire, I wouldn't have been able to get it down. So check your winch every so often. Make sure your spare tire is coming down in case that emergency comes where you have to use it. Now on your two long bolts that you have that's on it, it holds the tire up. It wouldn't hurt to use a little anti-seize so they won't get rusted up in there and end up breaking when you try to take it down. I recommend that for these two. And you can also put it on the studs on the other ones that's coming down so they won't seize up on you. In case this problem occurs again, but you have to change it again. You get all your screws back in. Tighten them down and you'll be good to go.